Hey guys, welcome back to my CSS tutorial for beginners series. In this episode, we're going to learn about external styling method in CSS. This method of styling is very convenient and it saves us time as developers. Enough of the talking, let me demonstrate to you how external CSS works. But before that, I want to bring to your notice that external CSS is used for multiple web pages. It's the matter of creating a file once and then using it to style the rest of your pages. Alright, before we begin, let's write code for our index page. So I'll go inside here and then write code for my navigation. I'm going to create a navigation and then I'll put nav, close it, and then open it up this way. Inside here, I'm going to give it a UL tag, which is on ordered list. Put it down. Inside here, we're going to give it list item. So li list item. Now, inside our list item, we're going to write a tag for our menus. Okay, our length. So we put A there. Now inside here, put home, and this will be our home page. So put home. Let's duplicate our this way. Our second menu will be what? About. So put about here. This shouldn't be a case or a problem if you watch my HTML tutorial series, okay, beginners friendly series. So this one will be contact. Good. So we created 3 menus: home, about, contact. Next up, we're going to create our pages, our other pages. So I'll click on new page. And then here about, so put about.html, click on new file, and then put contact.html, hit enter. Now we have 3 pages: index, contact, and about. I created 3 pages because external CSS is used to apply style to multiple pages. Let's go back to our index page, and inside here, let's link to our new created pages. So the first menu will be linked to index.html because this is the page we are on, and this is our home page. So link to index.html. The second link will be linked to our about page, and the third link will be connected to our contact page, which happens to be what? Here. Let's continue designing our home page. So we come down, and then we need h2 tag, close it. And I'll write here, welcome to what? So welcome to home page or to home. Good. Welcome to home. I'll go beneath my h2 and give it a what? A p tag, which is paragraph. I'll say this is what? Home page. Like this. Let's copy this code. So Ctrl A, select, Ctrl C, copy. We opened our other pages, our about us page, and paste this code there. Go inside your body, and we're going to change our h2 to something like welcome to about page. Okay, so welcome to about, something like about. And this is about page. or about us page like this. We go to contact, paste our code there, and change welcome to what? Contact. Let's change this one to, this is home page to this is contact page. So put contact page. Fantastic. We created 3 pages: index, contact, about, and we created our menus, our navigations, and we linked to those pages. That way, anytime a user clicks on any of these links, it will take us, or take the users to those pages. Let me take you to my web browser, reload, and as you can see, we have 3 menus here. Home, you can see welcome to home. When I click on about, it will switch to that about us page and say welcome to about. This is about us page. When I click on contact, it will take us to the contact page, which is welcome to contact, and this is a contact page. Fantastic. Now with the help of external CSS, let's style our 3 pages with the click of a mouse. So to do so, we need to create a separate CSS file. So create a file, click here, new file, and then we give it a name, style.css. The naming doesn't matter, you can give it any name you want, provided the ending part, which is the extension .css, is very, very important. So that's the only part you need to be aware of. .css. If not, it's not going to work. So we're giving it a name, style.css, and then we hit them. Now we will style our 3 pages and give them the same background color. So we're giving our 3 pages background color called aqua. I like that color the most, that's why I'm using aqua. Now let me take you to index page, and you can see all our pages have the same tags. Our index page has body tag, navigation, h2, and p tag. Our contact us, or about us, has the same tags: about, navigation, h2, and p tag. Likewise, our contact us, the same tags. So it will be very, very simple styling these web pages. If we were to use other methods of styling, let's say inline CSS, that means we have to go inside individual tag and style it, go to contact us, about us, style it, which is not going to be helpful, and it will be time wasted. That's why we created this separate file. So we're going to target those selectors inside this file. So the very first element we're going to be targeting is the body tag. So simply put body, and then we open it up this way. Please pull it down, and we're going to give it a background color called aqua. Now we are done giving it a body background. When I take you to the home page and click home, nothing is going to happen. This is because this page has no idea where our styling is. So we need to link it to our pages. When I take you to about, nothing happens. Our page is still white. Contact, nothing happens. So to fix this, we need to tell our pages where this file is. So first off, we need to go to index.html, and then inside the head here, if you are using Visual Studio Code, just type link, hit enter, and this link will help us reference to our style.css, our CSS file. Now inside here, href, type the name of your styling file. In our case, is style.css, which is here. Okay. Do the same thing to the rest of your pages. So go to our About Us page, and then inside the head, type link, and we are linking to our CSS file. We are telling our pages where the styling is, where our style live. So type the name of your style, and then not forget of your contact. So click here, and then tell this page where our style is. So give it a link, hit enter, and inside href, specify the path where that file is, which is style.css, which is. Now let's go to our web browser, click on home, and as you can see, our home page has changed color. The background color has changed to aqua. When I click on about, the color remains because this page now knows where our styling is, and you can see. So we created this file once, and we're able to use it on every single page on the website. You can see that this contact us, and it remains the same. Now let's say we want to change the font size of our text on every single page. We need to do it once inside one file, and everything will change. So let's go to our code editor, and then click on index.html. Now we want to give our navigation a background color. So this our link, our navigation, we want to give it a separate background color. Okay, so we're going to give it a background color white background color. And after we do that, every single page will have the same effect. So to do so, this is our index page, and we have a tag called nav. When we go to about, the same tag there, nav, and when we go to contact, we have the same tag nav. So this is going to be very, very simple. It's called a selector. So we pick this nav, you can copy it, you can also go to your style. This time you need to come down like this, and then we're going to target our nav this way, open it up like this, and put it down. Inside here, we're going to give it a background color of, say, white. Okay, so put white there. Now let's go to our web browser, click on home, and as you can see, the background color of our navigation is white. When we click on about us, you can see that white still remains, and when we click on contact, the same styling applies to every single page on this website. Is this not amazing? So external CSS has an upper hand than the other styling methods, which is inline and internal. Very, very, very helpful, and it has a way upper hand than the rest of our styling methods. So that's why in this video series we're going to be using the external styling method. Now let's continue. Next, let's go to index.html, which is our home page, and then we're going to target our paragraph, our p tag. And you can see every single page has p tag. Our about us has p tag, and our contact us also has p tag. So targeting our p tag, so simply copy it, or you go to your style.css, and then we come beneath it, and then we put p. Okay, open it this way and then pull it down. This time we're going to give it a font family called cursive. But before that, let me send you to the browser, and right now you can see how this text is written. You can see how the style of it. Let me take you to home page. You can see how it is. We want to change the font family of our text. After that, we also increase the size of this text, our paragraph, because it's a little bit smaller. So I'll take you to the code editor, and first we are targeting the font family. So simply put font family, and then we're going to give it a font family called cursive. Next, come down and then give it another font. This time we're giving it a font size, okay? Font size of something like 30 pixels or 25. So let's give it 30 pixels, 30 px. Now let's go to our web browser, reload this page, and as you can see, our paragraphs have changed when it comes to font size and font family. When I click on home, you can see the same design applies, or the same style applies to our home page. And when I take you to contact, you can see that the same style that is applied to this page as well. So that is it. That's external CSS. Very, very helpful and saves time for you as a front-end developer. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next videos where I'll be talking about selectors. If you are not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, because I release videos like this on a regular basis. I'll see you there.